Hello, welcome back to the channel where we are building a video game from scratch using Love2d and Lua. Yesterday we got our NPC walking in a circle here, a counterclockwise circle. So it takes a step, it waits, it turns, it takes a step, it waits, it turns, it takes a step, and that's all it's doing. Yesterday we started making a secondary NPC. This is our villager here, and then there's also a mage that is the kind of teacher for us on our journey. So we're going to be working on making him. We have two sprites of him so far, and I need to cut. We need to test how he looks when he animates like this. So right now, here's our two frames of him walking, facing down. Then we'll need him walking up, and then the sides. So he does have, the sides will be a little unique in the sense that it's not just the same thing flipped like the other ones are, because depending on which side, if he's facing left, if he's walking to the right, his orb will be in his right hand, visible to us. But if he's walking to the left, his left hand will be visible, so his staff will be in front of the orb. So we'll have to kind of play with that and see how that looks. But let's give us, we'll basically copy one of this as a starting point for walking up, and we'll see. There's one thing I still feel like is kind of missing, is like some kind of like head bob or something for him. So I might want to add that, but I'm not exactly sure. So here it'll be easy in the sense that, okay, we have to remember he's left-handed, so his staff is in his left hand. So what we'll do is just kind of, for now, you know, we blew this out as if he's walking away from us, right? And then staff is in the left hand, so we can do that. So his orb will have to be on this side now, and it's covered up by a lot of this. So we can kind of like imagine that his hand comes out like this in front of him. Yeah, something like this. And then I do kind of want like 1 pixel, yeah, 1 pixel of, and we can't see that because that'll be in front of him, so it'll kind of look like this. And then his staff, same thing here, like his hand kind of comes out to the side here to hold his staff, and then his staff doesn't go higher than his head here, so we might be okay with something like this. Like, it's supposed to be, if we think about his like elbows, his elbows should kind of come back maybe. I don't know, that's looking weird. Yeah, and I don't think his staff is not taller than him, so we shouldn't be able to see it when he's facing there. So we should have a flat line for the staff and a round side for the ball, it looks like. So I don't know, it's hard to tell. Because this doesn't look so, I mean, you know, we need some shading to get the point across, but if like, I feel like we might need a, let's look at his left, like, see how his feet aren't getting bigger or smaller when he's facing this way, and it kind of works because the beard is shifting, so it's kind of like an imagined foot is pushing the beard this way, so it reads decent. But what isn't so good is when he's facing the other way, we don't have any of that help. So let's try to just get some decent. Let's see if just some shading will help us. Because maybe he has, maybe there's like a back of the hood that's flopped over back here, you know? So maybe we can do that. So his hood might be flopped over, and maybe that is giving like a little bit of a bounce. And then maybe there's just some shadows for his elbows kind of coming in. That's not looking too awful. I know, we're not really shooting for not looking too awful, right? We're shooting for looking good, hopefully, but this stuff is really tough. Okay. I think if we get this wobbling a bit and his arms switching, it'll start to look good, because I think the bottom of his feet don't move a lot. So like he's supposed to look like he's kind of gliding. So I'm curious what happens if we just flip this. That is not what I wanted. Here we go. Gosh, it looks so weird. I kind of feel like it might need to do the bob down. Yeah, it looks too much movement. I think let's try to just get his elbows switching and see how that looks. So all we'll do is switch these two spots. It looks so weird. It looks so weird. Yeah. I don't like it. Let's try again. Let's fix the shading here. Let's see what it looks like if everything under his hood is just shadow, or if starting here is kind of shadow. Let's see. Okay. I think his top, the top of his hat needs to kind of sway a bit too. So like kind of like our beard in the other one, like maybe this comes and slides over. Yeah, that's looking better. I think that's okay for now. I mean, it like to me, it kind of looks like a fire hydrant or something. But I think once the whole character is there and you see that he faces this way and then that way, I think it starts to make more sense. So let's save these two as our walking up. Sweet. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Copy. And then we can look at the reference here for this. I mean, there was this unused sprite from Link's Awakening, and this is where, you know, I like this kind of like the hat folded back here. And then he's got like an elbow that comes forward as he sinks. This art is kind of crazy here. They do such a good job with that. So let's do a new... Let's see what direction. Facing left is first, so that's our staff hand. So we'll see what our staff hand looks like coming this way. And this is our walking left. So let's get an outline going. So if his... And let's see the it's useful for me to see the this, so we can see. It's just like, you know, if we imagine he's in the same axis just turned left, the center of his head is still up here, and then, well, yeah, the center of his head looks more forward here. Man, they do such a good job with the coloring here. Oh, see, look, I like the black outline for the hood here. That's kind of cool. That looks pretty good. I did not do that. But let's see. See, it goes lower, and then they have like two curls on the hood. I mean, we don't have to make it look the same. I'm just playing around with how we might get some more contrast in there. So let's do the walking forward. It'll look something like this. Gosh, it looks so bad, man. Oy, 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 oy. Looks so bad. Okay, try it again. Why is it so hard? Okay, so there's a hood, it curves down and then comes back up. Okay. don't get why it's so tough, man. I don't get why it's so dang tough. Well, we know his feet need to basically be right here. We know that much. We know his staff, which we need to pull the same staff color. Then if we pull the... He goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 high, and then 2 and 2, and then up here is the hand. Okay. So let's snag the hand color. Okay. Shape is so hard to get right, man. So that looks... I like this shape. I like this shape they've got. So it kind of curls down. Then it comes inwards and then diagonal. But it goes pretty far down. So it's like... Wow, this is so tough. I think if we get his nose placed in there, it'll be easier to kind of do the rest of this stuff. Yeah, I think if we get his nose in there, so his nose is gonna be... and then get his beard in there too. So his arm would come over the beard here. Jeez. Okay, let's get the color in there just so we can kind of view this. Man, it's so hard to make it readable, man. It's so hard. It's hard because we have a freaking staff in a hand, you know, and it's like the beard really sells it, and the beard is going to be covered with the hand. But I do like the kind of shadow they've got going on here with the highlight on top. I think that looks really good. Gosh, but then the nose, like, doesn't look like it belongs. You know what? I'm going to leave this open as reference here. Can we pull this out? There we go. Okay. This is looking close. But what's tough is we can't really get the nose or the beard to kind of come through because the staff just covers it. Yeah, it's tough. The nose just gets covered. This doesn't look awful, but let's see if we can do a new frame and see if we can get, you know, we need him to shrink down a bit. I feel like his staff should come up when he goes down. Doesn't look awful. Doesn't look awful for damn sure. I love the highlight they've got here, though. I want to do something like that. Okay, I think his elbow needs to come up because his hand goes up. But I like the staff coming up when he's... That just looks weird, huh? Okay, let's try it. We'll keep the arm down there, and we'll make the other staff the high staff. So this will be the low staff. And this will be the higher staff. I think his arm needs to move, like the staff I think needs to come back. On the lower one, I think the staff needs to come back so it looks like he's being pulled by it. Oh god. Okay, I think I just want his elbow to kind of come back a bit more. Okay, I think I like that. Let's mess around with this highlight. I think I want it just white. Okay, I think I want to go like a lighter blue. Nice. Okay, I'm liking that. That's looking good. Now the thing is, oh, and his beard needs to stay white. Sweet. So we'll copy and paste this over. That's looking really good. And we'll put this here for our walk left. I like these highlights. I think we should keep these highlights over for the other. That maybe is too much, but yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look as good on the facing down one, so maybe we'll just keep it like that. Those are looking pretty good though. And then the last direction is the other hand. So he's got an orb in his other hand, so his facing right should have this little orb. Okay. So let's make a new 16 by 16, and this will be facing right. Now let's pull up. Yeah, facing left up. This will be our starting point. We do know we need 2 frames. Yes, Prosto, what's up? Yep, definitely making a little mage guy. Hey, always good to hear, Prosto. So this guy has like a little orb in his left hand. Or in his right hand, actually. So when he's walking to the right, we can see that orb. Yeah, it's supposed to be magical, and he loves his orb very much. There's some lore I want to do, like the orb he's holding is like the most powerful orb, but he never uses it. So there's some story to go in there somewhere. But we won't see him ever use this orb. He just kind of holds on to it. Okay. Yeah, so is there story in your game and whatnot with lore and stuff? Or like is it something that you've been thinking about, or is it something that you want to add at some point? Yeah, that'll be fun. I mean, I always like when there's more kind of story and stuff. But I feel like even if the story isn't explicit, it's interesting. Like even if you don't get the story in the gameplay, just the fact that there is more to it is always interesting to me. Oh yeah, what's the name? That's awesome, dude. That's good. I think he needs his staff. I think his staff should be like a little visible in the back here, because he's got the staff in this hand. Okay, okay. Okay, well, hey, at least it's in the works, right? I think I like this. I don't like that there's two... Okay, so maybe on this one, he still can see the staff. Okay. That's looking pretty good. Nice. Cool. Well, hey man, yeah, if you ever want to share it, I'll listen. I'll definitely listen. I like this. I think this looks good. Oh, that looks awesome. I like that a lot. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Hold on to it. Let it cook. Okay, I think we need a little bit more shade around him in the front here. That's looking good. Okay, the one I like the least is when he's walking away from camera. I feel like we're missing some shape or something here. Yeah, maybe just like a a straight up shadow for the hood here. Oh, shoot. Yeah, just loud alarms. See, I'm thinking something like... I don't know, something like that, that arrow down. Oh, we already changed it. Okay. Let me try it again. Let me see. That doesn't look so bad. It's just that the, it's just missing some shadow, I think. Let's keep it like this for now, and then I can come in and tweak the shadow. So we should have all of the sides here. We can save it as a PNG, mageAtlas. So let's try to get him in the game. Let's go. Yeah, let's go into our dependencies here, and we will require our, just like we are requiring a Villager 1 Atlas, we shall have a Mage Atlas. And then we need to generate the quads for the mage. Kind of weird we have character walk. I mean, I guess that makes sense because there's a character fall. So I guess we should call this mage walk. Well, I don't know. Because if there's other things like a different thing for the mage here, then I guess it would make sense. Mage walk. Okay, yeah, now that we've got mage walk here, that's the texture, so we should have the quads for it. Let's just try to change our NPC into a mage. So we'll do that by going into our declarations, and we'll say that the animations we're going to snag entityDefs. Okay, let me just see what the entityDefs are for the Villager 1. Okay. So let's just say I'm going to do a lazy way of trying to do this and just try to put mage in here. And let's see. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah, man. Oh, I love it. Yes. I like it. Yeah, I don't dislike the walking up as much as I thought I would. I like it. It's cool. I like it. I'm not so good at riddles, but yeah, hit me. There's a hint in chat. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, dude, there might be a dangerous to go alone reference. That would probably be appropriate. I've been working my way through beating Tears of the Kingdom finally, because I stopped playing for a while. But I'm almost done. Okay. Yo, which words are you talking about? Is this the riddle? There was one D&D book. They were weird words. I wizard and da wizard. So sorry, man. I'm not tracking. Okay, we gave ourselves a mage entity definition here. So I'm thinking we should be able to insert a mage into our map here at this point. So just like how we're inserting a villager 1, we can insert a mage. We'll put them on the same screen here. We'll have to come up with a better way to do this with the villager index and whatnot, but right now, this works. So if we look at what we did, we go into the map right above where we spawn, and we insert a entity class into the .npc table, and we populate that entity instantiation with the .animations from the mage entityDef that we just made, the walk speed from there, the width and the height from there. We can give a different X and Y, so we can say maybe it's 60 and 40, I don't know. Start direction down, not corrupted. I think we can get rid of that at this point, but let's just see if we should have a mage. This should be mage index. You literally just did what authors of the book did. Oh no. Sorry, man, I missed it. I'm a little distracted. Oh, heck yeah. So we have the ability to move and put any entity. I mean, like, they're both entities are in the same state, which is they just walk in a counterclockwise circle, but we're able to put different characters in here now. Sweet. Cool. I don't know, I feel a little scattered. I'm definitely feeling like a little scattered in the brain today. And I've got, I've had to do a bunch of work today for my freelancing gig, so I still have to cook dinner tonight, so I think I'm just kind of tired. We will commit with a message saying that we added. Oh no. Added mageAtlas and mage entityDef. But yeah. Yeah, he definitely... I don't know if we'll be able to interact with NPCs. I think NPCs are going to be able to just kind of push you out of the way and everything. And I think instead of giving them AI, I think it's going to be really limited. Like, this guy exists only in this small section, and he walks in a square. Yo, that's pretty sick, Brosto. Where's that fish from? Oh, I've never seen that fish. That's cool. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. All right. Let's see. We've got a team member. Oh, looks like they're playing Minecraft. I'm hoping to raid somebody who's programming. Yo, what up, K-Tron? How's it going, dude? Hey, I will show you what we got done today. Oh, you were here chilling. Oh, so you saw it. Yeah, so we've got the little mage in there now. So he's going to be the guy that kind of tells you what's up in the story. So he's the tutorial basically. So that's all we got. We just did the artwork for him. We only had the walking down, so today we did the walking left, walking right. And when he walks left, you see the staff in his hand, and when he walks to the right, you see the orb in his hand. So like a little details like that to kind of like give him a little bit more uniqueness. I think it looks cool. I think it looks good. So we can add different entities in there now. We only have the villager and the mage, but that's a good start, because now we'll make like a woman villager, and then we might make like a great fairy for like a fairy fountain or something. Prosto, that looks so cool. I like that. I haven't seen that other Twitchlet either. That's cool. But I'm gonna raid out here and see if Hypnotic Games is working on anything. Was hoping Basie would be streaming again, because he has a really cool game going on. But we'll raid out to Hypnotic, because he's got a really nice chill stream. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Tomorrow will probably be... I don't know what tomorrow will be. I'll have to figure it out. Depends how much energy I have after work, so we'll decide then, I guess. But thanks for watching. Have a good night, y'all.